So let me take so we have how many types we having. Okay, students, so first we having the 5 chapters, right? So 5 chapters. So 5 chapters you have to first my suggestion is that, okay, so if you are not seeing, I think okay, now you can see. Okay, so in every subject we having the 5 chapters, right? And including the math subjects also, as per syllabus we are having the R16 syllabus, so we are having the 5 chapters in each subject. So let us take the 3 one. Okay, so we are having the 5 subjects. Okay, so in the 5 subjects we are having the 5 units. Okay, so 5 subjects, 5 units. Okay, so every important topic. So first my suggestion is that, okay, it is a suggestion, so you can whatever so based upon the your time availability you can prepare yours, right? So I'm just doing the suggestion is that here first select the 4 questions. Okay, so here we're having the every topic, select the 4 important questions. Okay, from 5 units. Okay, select the 4 important question from 5 units. Okay, and with the numerical problems. Okay, so important numerical problems. Okay, numerical problems. And after preparing the important topics, okay, so how to select the important topics, that is, so first we have to take the syllabus. Okay, so first you need to go through the syllabus copy. Okay, in the syllabus copy, so take the content. Okay, so how much subject content we have. Okay, so in the subject content what are the topics will have the important. Okay, some topics will be by seeing that their name also we can say that these are the important topic, right? So for that that type of topics you can first complete that. Okay, then after preparing the, that is the 20 questions. Okay, so for each 5 units, okay, 5 units 4 questions, so 20 questions will come, right? After that, so go through the three, any select the any 3 topics, sorry 3 units. Okay, select the 3 units and completely, okay, prepare completely. So whatever the 3 units are there, so prepare complete. Okay, so completely prepare the 3 units whatever we have. Okay, after that if you having the time, after preparing the 20 questions and 3 units completely, then you can go through the another 2 units. Okay, so what are the another important topics you have there, okay, then you can go. So this is the plan. So if you prepare like this, so what, whenever we having the examination, so here we having the 8 questions pattern, right? So 8 questions, so you have to answer 5. So we're having the 2 hours of time. So 2 hours, 5 answers. Okay, it's having the A and B. Okay, so A B with having, that is the 10 questions you have to answer individually if we take. Okay, so for that one, so if you prepare, so what I've said is, so here I'm studying the 20 question. Okay, if we studied the correct, accurate, important questions, so in the two from chapter every chapter I said that 4 important questions, so but in that 4 if you studied perfectly, so you'll easily answers. Okay, and one more, if you whatever the study, so if not come, so if you have studied the 3 chapters right here, so whatever the 3 units is there, so if you completely study, Okay, you can write at least 3 questions completely. Okay, then you'll get pass. Okay, so this is the for pass strategy. Okay, if you wanted to pass in a easy way, okay, for examination, because due to the lockdown, due to the COVID situation and atmospheric condition, okay, mental condition also, we have not studied the proper, right? To avoid such a problem, what we have to do, so this is the thing. So this is the only suggestion. Okay, not yet. Okay, I'm just giving the suggestion only. So based upon your time and requirements, you can do your own preparation also. Okay, just because I'm giving the just a path. Okay, so in the path, if you're having the good, you can go, or else if you find the another path, you can go through also. Okay, just while preparing the first examination, okay, this is the right path. So I'm just the is the one of the path I'm studying. Okay, so it may be sometimes, so based upon situation, it may be right or it may be wrong. Okay, so because every student's mentality will be different from one to others. Okay, because every student is unique. Okay, no two students are same. Okay, every student is a unique. Okay, that's why I'm giving. So it will be applicable for also math subject. Okay, so if you are having these subjects, so math also it will be applicable for math. So you have to do one thing is that you have to prepare for what are the previous question papers are, what are the important questions you continuously ask. Okay, first prepare, then okay, go through in the minimum 3 units. Okay,